Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page in Google Docs on your iPhone. To add a new page in Google Docs, you typically don't need a special button. However, if you want to force a page break, you can do so by inserting a page break. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the page. Simply tap on it. Then tap onto the pencil icon and tap onto the plus sign button at the top corner right here. Next, find the page break option and tap on it. Now you can see there is the page break added to your document and the page has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the page on your document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.